What is going on, everybody? Dadbotts in here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have my little friend with me. Anyone doesn't know what this is, it's a Dragy. So the Dragy tells you basically anything that you really want to know, like performance times, and we're going to take out the C8, see what it does, because it's completely stock right now. We're going to go to the track tonight, but we have some tints getting picked up and stuff like that, so I couldn't really be out there. So first we're going to run. I'm going to get some errands done. Probably take my sweatshirt off. It's a little hot. But we're going to run a couple errands real quick. And then we're going to get to the Dragy testing. 3, 2, 1. All right, so like I said earlier, we're on our way. Gotta go get my hair cut. And yeah. And then, ironically, my barber's coming over later to get tint done, but I was gonna get my hair cut next week. I got off work early, so I was like, I might as well get it all trimmed up, the beard and everything trimmed up today, even though he's coming over later. Yeah. I just wanna drive the car. All right, so first stop, first things first, I got to too quiet. First things first, we're actually going to go get my new tag. Well, place the order for my new tag. Because it's time to get a vanity plate, fellas. We need to let people know who we are. I think you guys are really going to like the vanity plate that I pick out. But I don't know how long it's going to take to get here. Well, it's our first stop. Little errands, you know? You gotta do what you gotta do. So, we're almost there. And the vanity plate shop, or the tag place, is almost like less than a minute away from the barber, so it's a win-win. And my barber's not going to be back till 2. It's 1:30. Little pool. Easy. We're in a town. Slowing down. That was 25. I swear. All right, just got that all figured out, and let's get a little cold start before we go. Well, not a cold start. A warm start before we go over there. Oh, take a look at this beauty. I'm about ready to pass this here in a second. Oh, come on, gorgeous. Woo. Can't even see it. Little friendly rev. Boy, do be looking fresh though. We are here. We are in Mexico, and it is beautiful. It is beautiful. You ever seen trees like this? Gotta be in Mexico, baby. So we're gonna test out the launch control. My first time ever doing launch control in this car. So we're gonna see if we can get that all figured out, and we're gonna give her a go. And then I think we're gonna take it, do the launch control, then go grab the wife and see what she thinks about launch control. But I'm very excited, so let's get the show on the road, baby. So to get to there, we're going to go over here. We're going to go, this is Touring, Sport, and then Track. Let's see what we're reading here. Tires are still a little cool, but we'll see. We'll warm up very quick. Then we're going to go to traction control once, traction control off. Hit it again. Oh, once. Let me see. Once, twice. There we go. Competitive mode. All right, we're here. All right, foot to the floor. Brake to the floor. Go. Whoa! All right, so I hurried back home. First launch control, really awesome. Absolutely loved it. You can probably tell by my reaction. But I had to hurry up and shoot right back home. Had to answer a phone call. Now it's getting ready to start raining. So I want to try to get the wife out there really quick before it really starts coming down. And just get her reaction to it. But first thing, I got to take some stuff out of the car. Because I still had stuff in the front. And I also had stuff in the trunk. Oh, the frunk's just a sweatshirt. I can leave that. But yep, you see the raindrops starting. The back I had gallons of water, my work boots, stuff like that. So yeah, now take all this stuff out, and then we're gonna head back out. Hurry, hopefully before the rain. It's coming. Alrighty, so now we got her. She's ready to go. It's starting to sprinkle. It really is. But I think I can get a couple passes in. Maybe just one. I don't know. We'll see. And then I gotta also run to the store. So, you know what I mean. And yeah, we're gonna find a new Mexico spot. Because the last Mexico spot, it was really hot. Thoughts?
I love it. Like I said, it's just pins and needles from like here down. And it's like such a good feeling. It's not like the bad pins and needles that you want to like stomp out. It's nice. I like it. Sounds really good. Put you back in your seat. It's been not too bad.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
No, not as bad as the Supra was.
Oh, spinning wise?
You
Yeah.
I
couldn't do that in the Supra. We'd be in the trees.
Yeah.
That's what I mean. This thing hooks way better than the Supra does,
Yeah.
and like that's what people like. They're like, oh, that thing's got to be way faster. It is, but it's not. It's faster from a dig, but from like top end, there's no way this car's faster than Supra.
The Supra doesn't stop. Like
The
it just
Supra doesn't
keeps
stop rolling.
going.
This car, like after like 100, it like kind of like it's like you want more.
Yeah.
But the Supra was just like every gear just kept
It's like,
grabbing
guess what?
more.
Got another gear. Guess what? Got another
Yeah.
gear. Guess what?
But this thing shifts so fast
Yeah, it does.
compared to the Supra.
Yeah.
All right, so all of our launch controls, we're really just spinning. I mean, it's only 58 degrees outside, so it's not like perfect conditions. And Mexico had a little bit of dusty roads. All right, we were spinning a little bit, but not too shabby for the first time launch control. Obviously, like I can get better at it. Well, kind of. It's like mainly computer, but still, like we didn't decrease tire pressure, none of that kind of stuff. Just how I drive it every day, launch control. So I think she liked it. I liked it. I think it's awesome. But I think we can definitely do better.
It just needs to be a little warmer out, that's all.
Yeah.
A little warmer, sticky tires.
And then once the exhaust's on, we're gonna shave some weight with the exhaust. Maybe have a little more power. We'll be good to go.
You told them about the exhaust?
No, they don't know that. And now they know. They know of an exhaust. They don't know what exhaust. They don't know who's hooking us up with the exhaust. Is it like my mullet?
Got a fresh cut today. Did you tell them about that?
Yeah. He went with me to the hair barber shop.
No.
No big deal.
And here I am, signing off yet again because we forgot to film another outro. We stink at this. We hope you enjoyed this short little vlog type style video. We're trying to try out different types of content just to see what you guys prefer more of. If you want us to do more car content at like car meets, or if you prefer like what a day in our life is like, or what we do during the weekend or our free time, just leave a comment down below. So also what we haven't really recorded is I'm kind of trying to surprise Caleb with redoing his office. So far we've got all of that set up. We have the posters and his trophies set up, all of our stuff for our cameras and drones and wires and all that stuff. And then we have a green screen. And then I'm working on one of those like cloud roof things, cloud ceiling things with LED lights. It's gonna be really cool. But so far I've only gotten the poster board and the duct tape up. So it's looking a little, not so good right now. But trust the process. It'll look good. It'll all come together. It'll be a good workspace, a good content flowing space to just work in, you know? So anyways, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash that like button, Definitely subscribe, tell anyone and everyone you know to hop on the Dad Bod Season train, join the Dad Bod Season family, and we'll see you guys next time.